watching ABC7 Eyewitness News.
So with Halloween now just a few weeks away, keep your kids' teeth healthy and clean. We're going to get some tips coming up.
Halloween just a few weeks away, a time when kids and adults indulge in all the candy they can collect. But we want to make sure their dental health doesn't suffer during the Halloween holidays. Here to give us some helpful tips to keep kids' teeth clean, Dr. Kenya McCalebb is here from Walton Dental Associates. Good morning to you, Doctor. Appreciate you being here. So good. How are you doing? This is your busy time of year.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we got kids, we got candy, right? So you're a parent, you're looking at all the kids' candy all over the place. What should you think about when it comes to them actually consuming all of that when it comes to their teeth?
Exactly, sure. So you just kind of want to make sure, I'm not going to say not to give your kid any types of candy or treats. I mean, that's not normal, right?
Thank you, yes.
Just make sure after they eat all that candy and all that sugar, those sticky candies tend to stick to the biting surfaces of the teeth, and have the kid brush as usual before they go to bed, when they wake up in the morning as well. So I'm not going to say don't have any candy at all. So just make sure that after they eat the candy that they're brushing properly.
And it really is very important. So I grew up in a household where dental health, and it still really is, honestly, was very important as a kid growing up. I mean, I started going to the dentist as soon as my teeth popped. So why do you think that's so critical, especially this day and age with so much sugary drinks and candy all on the shelves so accessible to us?
It's so important for you to get your kids in the dentist for preventative treatments, for their routine dental exams, for their routine dental cleanings, and their x-rays. During this time, we can evaluate the child to see if they have any types of tooth decay, and then other developments, the tooth development as well as the face development as well.
And now what about age? Do you have like a preference? Like, do you prefer, I'd like to see your kid when they're 5 or something like that?
So typically you would want to bring your kid in as soon as you see that first tooth appear in the mouth. That's typically around 6 months of age or 1 year old.
Wow, young.
Yes, super young. So you want to kind of get them in early, and then this will give them a chance too to tackle those dental phobias that kids sometimes have early on.
All right, so I want to, this is not on the list that we've discussed in the break, but I wanted to just ask you this because sometimes it's hard to explain to the children how important it is to brush your teeth at night. How can you get them to do that?
Right, so I like to do a technique, it's called tell, show, do.
Okay.
So we bring the kid in, you know, we show them in the dental office which instruments do what in each procedure, have them sit in the chair, have them brush and show you, oh, this is how long do you brush, or how do you floss, show it to me, you know, and kind of reward them too and say, oh, you're doing a good job, that's awesome, you're amazing, and just motivate them to get them brushing and flossing.
Oh, that's a good idea. Have them almost like a game, but obviously something really important.
Absolutely.
Well, I'm so glad that you were here. Such a timely story, too. Thank you so very much for being here. We certainly appreciate it, Doctor. Thank you so very much. So remember, they can eat the candy.
They can eat the
candy.
Maybe
brush immediately afterwards.
Brush and floss.
And floss immediately afterwards. All right. To find out more about Walton Dental Associates, you can visit ABC7Chicago.com.